Today's topic will be on solving geometry applications with a focus on rectangles. So you may already be familiar with the properties of rectangles. Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 right 90-degree angles. The opposite sides of a rectangle are the same length. We refer to one side of the rectangle as the length and its adjacent side as the width, W. The distance around this rectangle is length plus width, or just simply 2L plus 2W. This is the perimeter, P, around the rectangle. So the P equals 2L plus 2W. Let's take a look at an example. The length of a rectangle is 32 meters and its width is 20 meters. What is the perimeter? Let's read the problem and make sure it's clear of what we're looking for, and draw and label with the given information. So we got the 2 lengths is 20 and the 2 widths is 32. So we're going to identify what we're looking for, which is just simply the perimeter. We're going to name that by letting P equal the perimeter of the rectangle, and we're going to translate this into an equation. P equals 2L plus 2W, substituting the 32 in for L and the 20 in for W. So P is equal to 64 plus 40, and then we simplify to get the perimeter is 104. We're going to check the answer by substituting this into the original equation. 20 plus 32 plus 20 plus 32 is equal to 104. And we are correct. So we're going to answer the question. The perimeter of the rectangle is 104 meters. Let's take a look at another example. The width of a rectangle is 2 feet less than the length. The perimeter is 52 feet. Find the length and width of this rectangle. So we're going to read the problem and make sure it's clear what we're looking for, and we're going to draw and label with the given information. And because we are including some extra letters and numbers in here, we are finding an algebraic expression pretty much. So we know that the perimeter is 52 feet, and that the length is just simply L because we don't know anything more about that, and that the width is 2 less than L. So the width will just be L minus 2. So we're going to identify what we're looking for, which is the length and width of the rectangle, and then we're going to name it. So we're going to let L equal the length of the rectangle, and L minus 2 equal equal the width of the rectangle. We're going to translate this into an equation using our formula P equals 2L plus 2W, and by substituting in the given values of what we know, which is 52 equals 2L plus 2 times L minus 2. We're going to solve the equation, and we get 52 equals 2L plus 2L minus 4. Do some simplification, and we get 14 is equal to L. But we also have to find the width, because remember, the width is L minus 2. So we substitute the 14 in for the L, and that's how we get our width, which is 12. We're going to check our answer. 14 plus 12 plus 14 plus 12 is equal to 52. And we are correct. Now we're going to answer the question. The length of the rectangle is 14, and the width is 12.